Facebook Secret Crush, how to use it. So basically you need to enable Facebook dating, and then you just tap on Secret Crush wherever you find this button. And then the idea of this feature is that you can choose your crush from Facebook friends or your Instagram followers. So if you're friend with someone on Facebook or someone is following you on Instagram and is also your secret crush, you can just tap plus button and add them as your crush. So for example, Facebook friend, and then just search them by for example name, and then just add it, and then that's gonna happen. But so your crush will receive notification on Instagram or Facebook that someone is liking them, but you're not gonna be disclosed. So a secret crush can be they will be notified that someone added them as a secret crush in dating. If you both add each other as crushes, you will match and names will be revealed. And that's basically it is. You can have up to 9 crushes at a time. You can also remove crushes at any time. So your crush will be notified, and that's what gonna happen if he or she also adds you. You will two match together. So that's what it is. That's a feature. To use it, obviously you need to have Facebook dating enabled in your profile. So that's what it is.